Hello, Chef Baba fans. Baba, what are we gonna make today?
Roasted pepper, you are on my back for roasted pepper, God knows how long.
Well, Baba, I haven't had. I have to go to the store to get roasted peppers because you haven't taught me how to do it.
Well, it's not easy process.
Well, I know it's not
a
easy
long way
because
to go,
that's
okay?
true because as a little boy in Yugoslavia during the corn harvest, was it during the corn harvest we would make it?
Yeah.
Okay, I love roasted peppers.
Because we have special place and big load
do it
and
outside,
yeah. and you can make 50 kilogram over there and make. We don't make for one little jar.
No, I remember
pepper.
you guys used to do it like all day long and all
That's
night.
right.
And when it got later on at night, Slivovica would also be a great tool to help people continue working,
That's right. Yeah.
But I remember like you had maybe 6, 7, 8 people working with you on that.
Well, yeah, because that's a long process and big. If I do by myself, I need more time. If we have 5, 6 friends, and you know they have Slivovica and so it's easy.
That's true. So if you're gonna do this, you may want to have a little Slivovica on the side too, okay? Because it is a lot of fun. And you did it outside when it was kind of a little bit cold.
September, November, end of the September, you made that. Okay.
I remember that.
And then a little bit staying in those jars, okay, and then. In December, before start all holidays, couple months, you have nice roasted pepper.
And then also you made Ivar out of that, and that's really what I love.
Yes.
Baba, before we start, I want to tell your Chef Baba fans that if you have the Chef Baba cookbook, thank you. All the directions for making roasted peppers are in the Chef Baba cookbook. If you haven't got one, you can go to chefbaba.com, and we have different versions. We have the print version, color and black and white, different prices, and then we also have the digital versions, so enjoy.
We're gonna make roasted pepper, okay?
Okay. You need to bring some? Here. Wow, I could have done that.
Watch your hand up.
Bob, I got it. I burned
And we
myself
can put
once.
one more. When I was raised, we did everything with the hand.
For roasted peppers, we're using both yellow and red.
Yellow, orange, and red.
Okay.
And we're gonna put in the jar red,
I know,
yellow.
Baba, why didn't you tell me to get orange? I could have bought orange, you just didn't tell me.
Well, it
You
doesn't
just said red or yellow. I could have bought orange.
But I mean, I forgot they have orange.
Yeah, sprouts does have all of them.
Look this way. I don't have to remember everything.
Is it ready?
Yes.
I think so.
Yes. Wow. Cover well until it's ready for take skin off.
So it's very important to cover it, huh?
The point is you need to cover.
So then it's easier to take the skin off, right?
Yeah, it's easiest. Oh, here.
You want this whole thing?
Well, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I like it garlicky, so.
You don't have to put I like really garlic is very healthy.
Garlic. Is there a word? Is there such a word as garlicky?
Garlicky, yeah.
It's not easy to peel.
Oh, Damire, you are always complaining about something.
Baba, you know what? You're not the first person to tell me that I'm a complainer. But you know what I read a couple of days ago?
What?
And I can refer to it.
Okay.
It says in I don't know where I read it on the internet because I read it a lot, so I don't know where. It said that people that complain are happy people.
I know that because they learn more.
I don't know why. I didn't read the article. I need to go read it. But hey, if you're not the first to tell me I'm a complainer.
No,
that means I'm a.
She's mom. Are you kidding me?
What?
She's the first to tell you.
Look this way. Look this way. If you are not complaining, you will never learn.
Well, there you go, Baba. So when you tell me I'm a complainer, I'm trying to learn.
But that's the best to learn.
Okay, so I guess that's not a cut, is it? Is that a compliment, Baba? Are you telling me that being a complainer is a compliment?
Yes. That's compliment.
You're complimenting me?
Yes.
You're calling me a complainer and that's a compliment.
That's
Baba, that's so Yugoslavian. That is so Yugoslavian to give me a cut I guess that's what you would call it. A derogatory remark turned into a compliment.
Well, look this way. If I told you that means I care. Okay? I care for you to learn, really learn.
So we're gonna peel again like last time.
Like last time, yes.
Yeah, that hopefully I'm better at it than last time, Baba.
It depends on pepper.
Yeah, it does.
If it's pepper thin, it's gonna be skin. Okay?
Yeah, I can tell. This one's
I think reds are the best
yeah.
this time. Yeah, because they are meaty.
I can't do it like you can, Baba.
That's the point. My point. When you are in a hurry, you always in a hurry, and then you have problem because they said, "How you did cut that?"
Baba, I can't help it. I'm always running.
The difference between and maybe you are always in a hurry. I am not. That's aging, okay? See, when you do that, you really know what kind of pepper you have.
Yeah, you're right.
Meaty pepper, it's easy to do it because you just do from the middle and it
Wow.
go all the way.
Now what?
We're gonna put like this, okay?
Okay.
All the way, okay?
Like that?
Like that, all the way,
Around like that?
yes.
That's interesting.
And little bit
Peppers on that?
garlic,
Oh, garlic?
and we're gonna put little bit oil, and we're gonna put little bit vinegar. Open this. Little bit salt,
And then
little
more?
bit garlic,
Yeah. So you're kind of layering it, Baba.
little bit oil.
And then you layer it again? Right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Well, that was a lot. What was that you
That
poured?
I don't have to have more.
Okay, but what was that?
Vinegar.
Vinegar,
Yeah.
okay. Smells good. More garlic, I think. Ah, that's hot. That is hot. This looks unbelievable. Bob, I think I can make the roasted peppers much easier than I
But that's right, but
Oh. I like it garlicky.
okay.
That's it.
Sad ću da ti kažem da.
Well, say-
Uzmi kaščiću i
Hold on,
probaj.
Baba.
Uzmi kaščiću i
She's, I'm
probaj.
gonna have to translate. You asked me if I can take a spoon and try it, right?
Treba, yeah.
Okay. It's Yugoslavian translator here, huh?
Well,
Hold on.
I don't want the people complain we talk just English.
Well, Baba, we do that so that we can promote the Eastern European
That's right.
culture and tradition
Right.
through cooking to the
Right.
whole world. That's why we speak in English. We want to promote
That's right.
Eastern European
That's right.
traditions, right?
Try.
See
Let
this?
me have for a second.
Now try it. But it's going to be hot, so I'm not going to like it as
It's
much.
not,
When it's cool, it's going to be magnificent. This, Baba,
this
we
is
make
easy.
better than the
No,
store.
no, Damire, but you don't understand. It's two different processes to make
Oh, I know
it.
that, Baba. I've been here with you. Of course, I know it's two different processes. This is fantastic. Is this it?
Yeah.
Okay, one day we made Ivar, my favorite. I've been wanting to make that for years. Ivar is thousands of years old recipe. And then we made roasted peppers, and I love roasted peppers. This is a delicacy for me, Baba.
Yes, it
Yeah.
is delicate.
It's a true delicacy. So we're done. Now what do? We put it in a...
Cover, and when you want to have something, gibanitsa or something, it's salad.
Okay, so until next time, Chef Baba fans, thank you for watching. Right, Baba?
Right.
Right?
Thank you.
Thank you.